These 10 secrets will blow her mind. Hey guys, welcome back to Zensagemind, the channel dedicated to helping you build stronger, deeper, and more passionate relationships. Today we're diving into the secrets of attraction and uncovering 10 powerful ways to make her absolutely obsessed with you. Gentlemen, this is about mastering the art of seduction by understanding what truly captivates a woman's heart. Please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing to Zensagemind. Now let's unlock those secrets. Let's be honest, gentlemen. Women love a man who knows how to speak to their senses. And there's something incredibly alluring about a whispered word, especially when it's laced with desire. Think about it, the closeness, the warmth of your breath against her ear, the way her entire body shivers in anticipation. It's about creating an intimate connection, a secret world that only the two of you share. Don't be afraid to lean in close, gentlemen, and let your voice be the key that unlocks her deepest desires. Whisper something playful, something complimentary, something that will make her heart race. Tell her how beautiful she looks in that dress, how her laugh makes your heart skip a beat, or how you can't wait to spend the entire night exploring every inch of her body. The key here is confidence, gentlemen. Own your words. Let them drip with sincerity and desire. It's not just about what you say, but how you say it. Let your voice be a weapon of seduction, a tool that drives her wild with anticipation. So the next time you're close to her, lean in, whisper something that ignites her senses, and watch as she melts into your arms. Now let's talk about what happens when the lights go down, gentlemen. This is where your confidence needs to be at its peak. Women are drawn to strength, to a man who takes charge, especially in the bedroom. This isn't about being aggressive, but about being assertive, about knowing what you want and going after it with passion and intensity. Don't be afraid to take the lead, to guide her body and let her know exactly what you desire. A woman wants to feel desired, wanted, and yes, even a little dominated in the bedroom. This doesn't mean being forceful, but rather taking control with a gentle touch, a knowing glance, a confident command. Whisper in her ear what you want her to do, tell her how much you crave her touch, let her feel the intensity of your desire. Remember, gentlemen, this is a dance, a passionate tango between two people lost in a world of pleasure and sensation. Be present in every touch, every kiss, every movement. And when the moment is right, unleash that primal energy and claim her as yours. So embrace your confidence, take control, and let her experience the full force of your desire. Now, gentlemen, let's be real. Any man can shower a woman with compliments and gifts, but it takes a special kind of man to truly see her, to understand her passions, her dreams, her fears. This is about going beyond the surface, beyond the physical attraction, and connecting with her on a deeper, more meaningful level. Ask her about her hobbies, her interests, the things that light her up from the inside out. And listen, gentlemen, truly listen, with the intent to understand, not just to respond. When she talks about her passions, her eyes light up, her energy shifts, and she becomes even more captivating. Engage with her, ask questions, show genuine interest in her world. If she's passionate about art, take her to a gallery. If she loves to dance, sign up for a salsa class together. The more you invest in understanding her passions, the deeper your connection will become. So, go beyond the superficial, delve into the depths of her being, and watch as your connection blossoms into something truly special. Chapter 4. The Thrill of the Unknown, Mastering Spontaneity. Let's face it, gentlemen, predictability can be the death knell of any relationship. Women crave excitement, spontaneity, a man who keeps them on their toes. This isn't about grand gestures or elaborate schemes, but rather about injecting small doses of unpredictability into your interactions. Surprise her with a weekend getaway, whisk her away for an impromptu picnic under the stars, or simply show up at her doorstep with her favorite takeout after a long day. These unexpected moments create lasting memories and keep the spark alive. Think outside the box, gentlemen. Break away from routine and embrace the thrill of the unknown. So, ditch the predictable, embrace the spontaneous, and watch as her eyes light up with excitement every time you walk into the room. Chapter 5. The Art of the Compliment. Speaking to her soul. Gentlemen, every woman loves a compliment, but it's time to elevate your game beyond the generic, "you look beautiful." We're talking about crafting compliments that are unique, thoughtful, and speak directly to her soul. Instead of commenting on her physical attributes, Compliment her intelligence, her wit, her infectious laugh. Tell her how inspired you are by her ambition, her kindness, her strength. Notice the little things, gentlemen, the details that make her special. Maybe it's the way her eyes light up when she talks about her passions, or the way she always knows how to make you laugh, even on your worst day. These are the compliments that truly resonate, the ones that make her feel seen, appreciated, and cherished. So choose your words carefully, speak from the heart, and watch as her face lights up with gratitude and affection. Chapter 6. Building Your Empire. The Power of Shared Experiences. Gentlemen, relationships are built on a foundation of shared experiences, memories that you create together that become woven into the fabric of your love story. These don't have to be extravagant vacations or expensive outings. It's about finding joy in the everyday moments, the simple pleasures that you share. Cook a meal together, go for a hike in nature, attend a concert, or simply curl up on the couch and watch her favorite movie. These shared experiences create a sense of togetherness, a bond that strengthens with each passing moment. So make it a priority to create lasting memories with the woman in your life. Explore new places together, try new things, and watch as your love story unfolds one incredible experience at a time. Chapter 7. The Lost Art of Listening. Becoming Her Confidant. Gentlemen, in today's fast-paced world, it seems like the art of listening is becoming increasingly rare. But let me tell you, being a good listener is one of the most attractive qualities a man can possess. It's about more than just hearing her words. It's about truly listening with the intent to understand, to empathize, to connect on a deeper level. Put away your phone, make eye contact, and give her your undivided attention. When a woman feels heard, truly heard, it creates a sense of safety, of trust, of knowing that she can be vulnerable and open with you without judgment. So hone your listening skills, become a master of empathy, and watch as your connection deepens beyond your wildest dreams. Chapter 8. The Strength in Vulnerability, Unveiling Your Authentic Self. Gentlemen, we're often taught to believe that vulnerability is a weakness, that we need to be strong and stoic at all times. But the truth is, vulnerability is where true strength lies. It takes courage to let down your guard, to open your heart, and to share your true self with another person. Don't be afraid to express your emotions, your fears, your insecurities. Sharing your vulnerabilities with her doesn't make you any less of a man. In fact, it makes you more relatable, more human, and ultimately, more attractive. This mutual vulnerability fosters a deep sense of trust, intimacy, and emotional connection. So embrace your vulnerability, let down your guard, and watch as your relationship blossoms into something truly special. Chapter 9. Maintaining Your Empire. The Importance of Independence. Now, gentlemen, while it's important to nurture your relationship, it's equally important to maintain your own identity, your own passions, your own life outside of the relationship. Think of it like this. A relationship is not about two halves making a whole, but rather two whole individuals choosing to share their lives, continue to pursue your hobbies, your interests, your personal goals. Having your own life outside of the relationship makes you more interesting, more engaging, and ultimately, more attractive. It also prevents you from becoming too dependent on her for your happiness, which can be a major turnoff for women. So prioritize your own growth, pursue your passions, and watch as your relationship thrives as a result. Chapter 10. The Power of Thoughtfulness. Keeping the Romance Alive. Gentlemen, grand gestures are great, but it's the small, thoughtful gestures that truly keep the romance alive in a relationship. These are the little things that show her you're thinking about her, that you care, that you cherish her presence in your life. Surprise her with her favorite coffee order on a Monday morning, leave a sweet note on her pillow, or pick up a bouquet of her favorite flowers just because. These gestures don't have to be expensive or elaborate. It's the thought behind them that counts. Pay attention to the details, gentlemen. What are her favorite things? What makes her smile? The more attuned you are to her needs and desires, the more thoughtful and impactful your gestures will be. So, make an effort to keep the spark alive, to surprise her, to delight her, and to remind her why she fell in love with you in the first place. Outro, until next time, keep the passion burning. There you have it, gentlemen, the 10 secrets to make her obsessed with you. Remember, these aren't tricks or manipulations. They're about becoming the best version of yourself, the kind of man who naturally attracts and captivates the woman of his dreams. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to Zensagemind for more relationship advice and insights. Until then, gentlemen, keep those sparks flying.